Good morning. Today, my group and I would like to discuss about reading comprehension. The title of the text is Reproduction System. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvia. In this group, there are Farida Misha, Karina Fisya, and Dila Julianti.
Okay, first I will describe about male reproductive. The male reproductive system consists of a number of sex organs that play a role in the progress of human reproduction. These organs are located on the outside of the body and within the pelvis. The main male sex organ, the penis and the testis, which produces semen and sperma, which, as of sexual introduce, phyllis and ovum in the female's body. The phyllis ovum zygote develops into a phallus, which is later born as an infant.
Okay, and I will describe about female reproductive. The female reproductive system provides several functions. The ovaries produce the egg cells called the ova or oocyte. The oocytes are then transported to the fallopian tube where fertilization by sperm may occur. The fertilized egg then moves to the uterus where the uterine lining has thickened its response to the normal hormones of the reproductive cycle. Once in the uterus, the fertilized egg can implant into a thickened uterine lining and continue to develop. If implantation does to take place, the uterine lining is shed as menstrual flow. In addition, the female reproductive system produces female sex hormone, maintain the reproductive cycle.
The first part is going to be explained by Karin. Okay, Karin, time and place is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Karin. Now I try to explain about the main idea of the first paragraph. The main idea of the first paragraph is the reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organ within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. The system of organ sexual reproduction is consists mainly of the ovaries, uterus, and vagina in females, and the testes and penis in males.
Okay, thank you, Karin. Okay, thank you, Karin. The next part is going to be explained by Dila. Okay, Dila, time and place is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Dila Julianti. Now I try to explain about the main idea of the second paragraph. The main idea of second paragraph, the major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. An individual may live a long, healthy, and happy life with productive offspring. But if the species is to continue, at least the individual must produce offspring.
Conclusion, the reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. Within the context of producing offspring, the reproductive system has four functions: to produce eggs and sperm cells, to transport and sustain the cell, to nurture the developing offspring, to produce hormones. Okay, the next is question. The question will be answered by Farida Misha. Okay, Farida. Time and place is yours.
Okay, Farida, and the first question is, what is a reproductive system?
The reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. Sentence in line 1 and 2 in first paragraph.
Okay, and the next question is, mention some important accessories to the reproductive system.
The answer is many non-living substances such as fluids, hormones, and pheromones are also important accessories to the reproductive system. In line 2 and 3, first paragraph.
The next question is, what does it refer to in sentence line 5, the first paragraph?
The answer is sexual reproductive system organ. Sentence in line 4, first paragraph.
And then, what is the major function of the reproductive system?
The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure the survival of the species. Line 1, the second paragraph.
And the last question, Farida, mention the other four functions of reproductive system.
Reproductive system has four functions. There are to produce egg and sperm cells, to transport and sustain the cells, to nurture the developing offspring, and to produce hormones. Sentence in line 5 and 7, the second paragraph.
Okay, the last, and I will to explain vocabulary of female reproductive system part. The first is ovary, cervix, vagina, labia minora, labia majora, fallopian tube, clitoris. And then of male reproductive system part is penis, testis, scrotum, vas deferens, prostate gland, seminal vesicle, and epididymis.
Thank you very much for your nice attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Sylvie.